Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can use Zoom in your laptop or computer. So let's get started and let's get into the video. First of all, you have to go open up your browser. Like I have Chrome, I'm going to open it up. After that, you have to search Zoom free download on your browser URL bar, and then you have to hit enter. After that, you are going to see a link, download Zoom for Windows. You are going to click that. If you have a Mac, you can also find the link below. Windows, and then you are going to download it using this link, download 64-bit, and it's going to be downloaded, and then you have to install it. As I have downloaded prior, I'm not going to download it again and install it again. After that, I am going to go and open up the Zoom app in my computer. I have opened it up. I have installed it. I had installed it before, so I opened it up. If I want to create a new meeting, I'm going to click new meeting. If I want to join a meeting, I can click over here. If I want to schedule a meeting, I can click over here. Or if I want to share the screen, I can click over here. So let me show you how you can host a new meeting. I don't want to show my camera, so that's why I have shut it off. I have disabled it. If I want to enable it, I can click here before. I can click here again and I can enable it. It is right now disabled and audio is enabled. So after that, I am going to click start. The meeting is going to start again. I have disabled the camera, disabled the video. Here you can see. And if I want to invite somebody, I can invite it using, I am going to click this option over here and going to click invite. And after that, if I want to send someone email about the invitation of this meeting, I can do that by here, from here. And if I want to copy the invitation link, I can also do that and send it via WhatsApp or any other messaging app I use or you use. This is the chat option. If you have people in this chat option, you can write a message and send it through here. And if you are in the meeting and if you want to react to something, you can click thumbs up, or you can clap, or you can raise hand if you have any questions, or also you can use other emojis as well. For suppose if you want to share your screen, you can share it via this option. Right now I'm not going to do that, so that's why I'm not going to click share. And these are some other options which you can see. If you want to record the meeting, you can click over here and record the meeting as well. And if you want to end the meeting, you can click over here, end meeting for all, and leave meeting. If you are the host, this option only will be shown to the host, end meeting for all. And if you are just joining the meeting, you can leave meeting. You will only find this option. As I am host of the meeting, I'm going to click end meeting for all, and this is the only option which is shown to the host. If I want to join a meeting, I am going to put in the meeting ID or personal link name, and after that I'm going to write my name, and that's it. After that, if you want to share your screen, you can share your screen via this in the meeting. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, you can comment below and I will feel free to solve that issue of yours.